So friends, Huawei Watch GT4 Christmas edition launch in Europe, and first of all you see this smartwatch looks is very pretty. And talking about specifications and price, so specifications is very nice in this smartwatch. Talking about display size, so display size is 1.43 inch AMOLED display. And talking about other specifications, so in this smartwatch, company has provided heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and sleep monitoring sensor for tracking sleep. And for battery backup, so battery backup is very fantastic. You if you charge if you full charge this smartwatch, then you use this smartwatch approximately 14 days. And Bluetooth calling also in this smartwatch. And talking about price, so price is 279 euros. And what do you think this smartwatch? Please tell me by commenting. And thank you for watching this video.